So we're now down at the river. A lovely day for it. I sort of left it till the afternoon. I sort of needed to sort of let my back stretch out after my drive and everything. It's an awesome day. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning here. Definitely not a shabby spot to go for a dig. Alrighty. Okay, so I've decided that I'm going to have a bit of a stretch in this area here. But you can see I've been moving some of the rocks to form a dam wall, slow the flow of water down. Create a little area over there for the sieve to go. And yeah, this is sort of essential. Slow the flow of water down a bit so the material doesn't get stirred around too much when you're processing it. Yeah, the reason I chose this spot is it seems that everybody's been working up around all these spots here. I used to work in there, but that's been smashed pretty hard. And it seems that people have been working over in there. Well, down in here I've never really seen many people dig deep holes or anything like that, so I'm going to give that a go. I know people have dug, but not as deep as I dig. So we'll give it a go and we'll see what I can pull out. Alright, so yeah, we've got the dog negotiators around. This in here was great. This is like a natural sluice box. And the water just flowed down in there. It sort of trapped a lot of material. But once again, I've already dug the spot just up there further. Yeah, I already dug right down into there. You can see where I've had the dam set up there previously and everything like that. And I also dug up in there, down in there, in here. So it's been pretty much works, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. So here we go. So here's what a shovel load of the material looks like. You can see in there, you get to focus, the spinel. I don't think you can see any little sapphires or anything, but all that black stuff there is what they call blackjack or spinel, and that's the indicator we're looking for. To find sapphires. I'm just digging where I said I was. As you can see, I've created a pretty nice sized dam wall. So I'm digging down in there. So let's continue processing this and see how we go. So there's emptied my rock screen. So now I'm down to sorting this out. As you can see, it's my second sieve. It's pretty chockers. There's about 8 shovel loads in there. That's the reason why I made this, so you can process a lot more material. There's the dog supervising, old Ruger. Not sure if he enjoys being up here or not. What do you reckon, Ruger? Wait. Anyway, so basically what I've got to do is I've got to keep putting water through here and processing that, but the easiest way to do it is obviously with the shovel. It's hard to do and hold the camera at the same time, but so I'll continue to break this down, and I'll ultimately you want to do this with it. But I need both hands, so anyway, I don't have a cameraman with me this time. Make it a lot easier to show you guys how I do this. Alrighty, so coming out of there, going into there, and pretty soon hopefully I'll show you some sapphires. So that sieve is now empty again. Ready to have more material put through it. So a bit of a clean. That goes back on there. Put all the shit off it. Okay. So there we go. And then we're ready to go again. Now, I'm going to work my way up into there. Push all those rocks out of the way, and same as those big ones there. And see how I go. Maybe over into there too. But I've got to prize a few of these bigger rocks out of the way. I used to go up there a while back, where that there is. But yeah, it gets hit too hard, it's too obvious. Alright, so now I've got to break this down. The way I do that is I just keep shuffling. I've already given it a little bit of a shuffle, so you can see the spinel pieces all through it. So if I shuffled it correctly, there should be basically no spinel here. So I can just, so I've shuffled it correctly. You can see there's basically no spinel amongst any of this area here. and you'll see when I start to hit it. I'll just keep scooping it out until I start seeing spinel. There we go, you start to see spinel now. So the way I've should put a little tripod or something for the camera so I can show you how I break the material down. So, how can I do this? Everything's wet, so don't like the idea of resting my phone or anything anywhere. I'll give it a go though, see if I can set this up so I can have my phone sitting on such an angle. How's that? I'm not sure what I'm seeing there. Where am I? Alright, so I'm about to process that material. So I'm hoping I've got a good enough camera view so you guys can actually see what's going on here. So there we go. We'll go about there. Hopefully it doesn't fall in the water. So as you can see, I've got the sieve ready. Stay back for a minute. Basically just pulsating it up and down with more of a drop, emphasis on the drop, and sort of doing it more to one corner than the others. So I'll just show you what I mean in a second. So you just keep doing that, and you'll see the spinel slowly start working its way from the top right corner in my case. So you can see there, so you can see that around there, there's all the spinel starting to build up there, so that means I'm working it down to that end of the sieve. You sort of work out that when you're doing this, due to your handedness, whether you're right or left-handed or cat-handed in my case, yeah, your material will sort of gather in different spots. So in here, I don't know if you can see that very clearly, but I can see no spinel in this bottom corner, so I've done well. So I just keep scraping till I start seeing signs of spinel, and then I stop. So I can get rid of all the overburden material, because all the material we're looking for is all heavier than the normal material in the river. So it'll all settle down in that bottom corner there, where I've got it all settled. As you can see it underneath the sieve, but I'll flip it. So there you go, you can see there, all the black spinel. So we'll keep going. I'm trying to make this as quick as possible. The water's bloody cold, I can tell you that. It's 3 days into winter or something. There you go, you can see it all building up there. So I can now scoop over here and, yep, look at that, no spinel in that area there. So I can get rid of that. And a little bit of that. There we go. Alright, so we're almost there. I'm almost at the point where I can show you, hopefully, some sapphires. Or some topaz or some something. Well, I just said a topaz, I think. So I think we have a topaz in there. Right, almost there. As you can see, I've broken the material down heaps. So she's almost down to the point where we want it. So let's keep going. Pretty solitary up there, I'll tell you that. I've only meant to be meeting a mate up here, or a subscriber of mine off YouTube, and he had to go and work. So unfortunately, maybe next time. But she's very quiet and everything. Not many people come up here in the winter, so it's sort of, I don't know, if you can put up with the temperatures, I guess it's not too bad. So I'm just sort of, sorry, I'm ducking out a camera view there, but I'm sort of cleaning out all the crappy material. I'm right down to the, oh yeah, I can see a nice big topaz. So I'll flip that up, get that near the top, so you can get a look at it. Oh, nice sapphire there too, lovely. All right, this is going to look all right. So this should work out well. I'm hoping after all the effort, if you've managed to sit through it this long, I'm hoping that it's worth it for you. So here we go. Last little shuffle, and you should get to see the goods. There we go. There's a nice big topaz just rolled past, a little sapphire. Okay, so I've got it all perfectly sorted now. I've almost got every little bit of crap out of it. I've just got it down to that beautiful, yep, I can see something awesome in here. Now, let's have a look here. So I'll put this down here, so you can see now I've processed all the material. There it is, and look at that. Right, so let's just have a little look at what I've got here. Holy crap, I think I've got something really awesome here, guys. Oh. Whew. Rightio, give the back a bit of a stretch. It's a bit of a bugger. There we go, clean the camera off a bit so you can get a clearer view. Right, so here we go. So I just finished breaking it down. You've seen it from start to finish. So I was scooping the material just from in there. Not very deep at the moment. I'm only about a foot deep. Dammed all that up so the water goes around me and doesn't come down and make all this all horrible and rapid like that. More like that. So yeah, processed it through my sieves, as you've seen. We're down in here, and then now we're down to this. So we've got the spinel. But have a look at this little bad boy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now that is, oh, give it a clean. That is what you call a very nice Tassie Sapphire. Look at that. Wow. That's what we're here for, folks. Party colour. It's got like a stripe going through it. Wow, that's gorgeous. Probably around about, oh, I'd be pushing well over a carat. There you go. So that's a beautiful Tasmanian sapphire, straight from the river. Okay, so there's one there, we'll put him there. And that big zircon. Oh, there. This is a nice bowl shape too. Oh, pick the bloody thing up. There we go. Look at that. Nice size zircon. I mean that's probably tiny in comparison to mainland standards, but for Weld River, it's getting there now. Aha, there it is. Lovely little jelly bean topaz. It might be a quartz, but I'll have to have a look when I get home. I'll go back to camp, I suppose. What else we got in here? But anyway, I'm going to keep this spinel and go through it a bit later to save me some time, because I think the day's actually dwindling away on me now. Oh, there we go, another topaz. So it's not real hard, but as I said, that's a ripper. That's a ripper. That's a great one. I'm glad that came up on camera. Bloody hell. There you go. Lovely. Awesome, guys. If you made it through, cheers. But as I said, it does take a little while, but the results are definitely worth it. If you can find some big ones, they could have some value. There we go. Oh. Weld River sapphires, eh? I think this is the second video I've tried to put together with me processing material. But yeah, so, hey Dugan, said sapphires, buddy, please don't knock them in the water. Alrighty. Awesome, guys. I'm hoping I'll find a heap more to show you, so see how I go, eh? Alrighty.